Okay, the euro pound for September 28th. I mean, the weakness in the pound is evident. I mean, we have discussed that in all the other pound pairs. So again, we had two strong weeks to the upside. Our initial buy was from the 86.36, and we added the buy above 88.38, and we took out the high of 90.80, closing at 92.78. There is nothing but air out here. I mean, so we should be looking at a test of this high, which is the 94.97, or pretty much close to the 95 handle. So that is an important point, because it has been tested twice, and that led back to the decline. So with the weakness that we have evident in the pound, there is no reason to consider that the pound should be coming down, or in any case, we have on the weekly charts, we have no selling point into the euro pound unless it trades below the 90.80 level. So we will be maintaining the long bias on the euro pound, and we're looking for a test of the 95 handle. These are the breakouts which we had. These are the two big range days. The trend has been pushing up very nicely to the upside. So again, as I said, there is no reason for us to even consider going short. But if one would decide to initiate a short, the first short should be below the prior day's high, which is the 91.56. So we should not, on a day trade, if somebody wanted to take a day trade in the euro pound, to go short, your short is below 91.56. That's why I'm putting it as a red line, so that you know that below the red line, this is where we initiate the shorts. But for the time being, these are only two big range days. We should be looking for at least 4 or 5 big range days when we do have big ranges like this. This is a bona fide trend. It made the first momentum high. This is the second momentum high. So we should be looking for a continuation to the upside, and the 91.56 is also a pretty decent point for us, for someone if he wants to initiate a short. It is a structural point over here, and it did lead to a move. So but the major trend in the euro is to the upside. This is nothing more than a big gift, and it is already now breaking to the upside. So I'm looking either for a retest of this point, or even a test of the all-time high. So going to the intraday, I'm going to place that our short is here, the 91. That is the prior day's high, which is 91.56. So any trade above the 91.56, we are looking to take it as a buy. So any push to the downside out of the Tokyo session is not a short. You will only sell and go short the euro pound on a trade below the 91.56. If it stays above, it's whatever it does, as long as it's above the 91.56, this is a buying opportunity. This is a chance for us to be looking to take a buy. So if we have a breakout of the opening range in Tokyo, somewhere around here, and it breaks to the downside, I will not take that short. I will be actually looking at that short when it begins to reverse, to come back above the market side as a buying opportunity. Okay? And the upward target is the 95 handle in the pound, in the euro pound. Keep in mind that the pound dollar looks quite weak, the pound yen looks quite weak, the pound Swiss look extremely weak. So that would only lead to a continuation into the euro pound. So keep an eye on the rest of the pound pairs versus the Swiss, versus the dollar, And if you see a continuous weakness, then you stay with your with the euro pound. Okay.